Excuses that I don't wanna see. I don't like the way you talk to me, saying you can talk to me however you like. I know that ain't right. I don't like the way you talk to me, saying you can talk to me however you like. I know that ain't right. Everything you say make me look the other way. I don't wanna know, so I'ma let it fade. Baby, I got issues, but I love myself. Baby, I got issues, but I love myself.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in Purok 4, Durian Street, Tugbok, Davao City for another exciting project. This isn't just an ordinary PC build. Today we're building a complete Pisonet setup from an empty space all the way to a fully operational business-ready gaming station. If you're planning to start your own Pisonet business, you'll definitely learn a lot from this video. Let's get started. As soon as we arrived, the area was completely empty. No computers, no tables, no wiring setup. But this is actually the most exciting part of our job. Watching a simple space transform into a business that's ready to serve customers. Let's begin. The first thing we did was unload all the equipment. System units, monitors, keyboards and mice, network equipment, cables, and of course the Pisonet coin timers. There are a lot of components that need to be organized before we can start the installation. This part usually isn't seen in the final setup, but it's very important for keeping the workflow clean and efficient. Now it's time to assemble the units. Personally, this is one of my favorite parts of the job. No matter how many years I've been building computers, it's still satisfying to see every component installed in its proper place. CPU, RAM, SSD, power supply, cooling fans, and of course, cable management. Not just because it looks good, it also improves airflow and makes future maintenance much easier. This is what separates a properly built setup from an average one. Once the system units were finished, we started positioning the monitors and peripherals. It's important to provide enough space for each player. If customers spend hours gaming, they need to be comfortable. We aligned everything properly to give the setup a professional appearance. Even though this is a Pisonet business, we still want it to look clean, organized, and high quality. Next, we moved on to the networking setup. We connected all the computers to the main network, cable routing, internet testing, network testing. This is a critical part of the installation because even one computer without a stable connection can become a problem for the business. That's why we test every single unit one by one. Now it's time to install the Pisonet timers. This is the heart of the business. Without a timer system, the operation can't run automatically. We tested the coin slots. 1 peso, 5 pesos, 10 pesos. We made sure the time allocation was accurate and that everything operated smoothly. After everything was installed, it was time for testing. We powered on every computer, checked system stability, checked temperatures, checked internet connectivity, checked the displays, and of course, we tested a few games. We never hand over a setup without performing a complete final inspection. Every unit has to be business ready, and there you have it. From an empty space to a complete Pisonet setup. Just look at the finished result. Clean wiring, organized stations, and everything ready for customers. This is one of the most satisfying parts of our work, seeing the results of all the time, effort, and attention to detail that went into the project. A huge thank you to our customer for trusting our team with this project. If you're planning to build your own Pisonet setup, Piso, Wi-Fi gaming PCs, computer shop office computers, feel free to message us anytime. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next project. This is MASDPCSHOP signing off.
Talk to me, saying you can talk to me however you like.